Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Game Dev Help. And I know it's been a long time since we uploaded a video, but we don't talk about that. So I'll be explaining you the whole Scratch, basically. So if you're new to Scratch, watch this and you can code your own little games without needing help. So you know, okay? So let's start with events. So one flag clicked, so basically when you click the flag and start the game. Also we have one space key pressed. So when you press the key on your keyboard, space, an action under it will start. And with the one flag clicked, when you click the flag and start the project, the action under it will also start. Now we have one stage clicked. Now, as I haven't used much of this, I think, because we're on backdrops, wait, if I have a sprite here, when sprite click, so basically when click the background, I think. So under here, so when the backdrop switches to a backdrop, yeah, it's basically the background. So look, here. Here we have a background. Then we have a sprite here. So you can see the sprite is over the background, and it's always gonna be over. So now when loudness is above 10, so basically when how's loud? So we have sound. I think the volume, and then I think like I don't use this. Also timer. When timer is above that. So basically, if timer is above, then repeat 10 times. I don't know. Just say hello. So I think if we wait 10 seconds, I'm not sure. So the timer will start. Wait, if we have here. Yeah, look. The timer was above 10 seconds and he said hello. And so I think it's with the sound also when volume is too high. So volume is 100 right now. So basically that. I'm gonna stop it. So that stop. Also, you don't have this normally, but I have an add-on, Scratch add-ons, I think it was called. And now I can also pause the project if I want to. But like, you don't need that, of course. Now we're gonna start with when I receive message 1, or when I receive a message. Basically, so you can, when flag clicked and the broadcast message 1, so when the broadcast, the action under this will start. So wait 1 second, the broadcast message 1, and then when I receive message 1, move 10 steps. Waiting 1 second. Look at the character. Boom, moves 10 steps. Because I do repeat 10 times. Move him over here. Boom, he moved 10 steps 10 times. Basically 100 steps. So if we click that and then broadcast message and wait. So I think this does is broadcast the message and then wait until the action below message here, message 1 is done, and then continue the code. Okay, so then we have control. So control is basically like wait, repeat forever. If so, you use wait is it has to wait 1 second, then and the action under it is done, or the command or block. So repeat it's gonna repeat 10 times whatever the block I put inside of it, or the code. So wait 1 second, repeat 10 times, move 10 steps. Okay, then we can have a forever. So it would wait 1 time, repeat 10 times, move 10 steps, yeah, and then it's gonna loop back, and then it's gonna wait 1 time, and then repeat, and then move. You can see here. It's gonna go on forever. And then if we move it here. So if we now we have if blank then. So we can either use sensing. So basically when the key is pressed, or operators. So like if blank is higher than 50. Yeah. So that's like all we can do. We'll go to sensing soon. Now go to show, and then if then else. So basically we have if blank then it's gonna play. But else, if it doesn't, if like let's say the value isn't equal to 50, then else wait 1 second. So it's gonna check if blank, we don't have anything there. We can also variables, we'll go on that later. If variable equals to 50, then let's say we will have move 10 steps, and then if it's not, then we're gonna wait 1 second. So now we have wait until. So that's basically wait until mouse down. So it's gonna wait until we press, like click, yeah, and then let's do move 10 steps. So it's waiting until I click, and then move 10 steps. Now if we have repeat until, so basically wait until, but it will repeat forever until something. So basically repeat until mouse down. So until I click, yeah, until I click, this will go 10 steps forever. Like it can't go over there because it's the edge of the screen. Oh look, I click, boom, it doesn't move anymore. Then we have stop all. So basically it's gonna stop all codes in the entire project. That will basically just stop the game. Then we have this script. So wait 1 second, stop this script. Yeah, so look, it should be repeating forever. Yeah, but it doesn't because it stopped it. And the other script seems right. So basically stop it will stop this script. So we will not stop this one, but we'll stop this one. You know. And then we have when I start as a clone. Now we will actually go through these clones a bit later. Now let's go look, or no, sound. Sound is, if we go here, sounds, we'll see, we can also choose a sound, like B-bass, yeah. Then when flag clicks, so when we start the project. And then sound, play B-bass. I click here, it plays it. Now we can also stop or play B-bass until it's done. So basically, if we have two play B-bass, yeah, it's gonna play them like together, yeah, but until it's done, it's basically gonna play it, wait until it's done, and then play this. So it's gonna play the sound, wait until the sound is done, and then the action below can start. Yeah, so if I had the two, it would be instant. Now stop all sounds. So if you have a sound playing, let's do boom. wait, boom. It stops it. So we have 0 here. Yeah, 0 is basically like refreshing the screen, and then it's like refreshing the screen and then stopping. You know, like I don't know, but like the pitch. I don't use sounds very often. So wait, 0, then play sound. Oh, so then do high pitch, and then let's do negative pitch. Should we basically? Okay. Okay, you need headphones to hear this, but it's like I hear it on my right ear right now, and then if I do negative, I'll hear it on my left ear. Sounds weird. Now set pitch is basically changing it. If we have a change and then another change, it will change the pitch by 20 instead of 10 because we're doing it multiple times. Now set pitch basically is set the pitch instead of changing it. So if the pitch is 100, you do 70. It won't be 170. It will be 70. Now clear sound effects. That is clears the pitch and the left pan left to right. It just clears the effects. Now change volume by -10, or the change volume. So you just change the volume. So okay, if you change the volume by -100, you can't hear it because there's no volume. If you have change volume by 5, you can barely hear it. If you do 500, it's like pretty loud because you're changing the volume by 500, and normal is 100. Now set volume. Instead of changing it, you're setting the volume. Now look, the volume is 100. Change volume. Look, it's 90 right now. But if I do set volume 100 and then set volume -10, not 90, 10. Instead of changing it, oh wait, it can't be -10. 10. Instead of changing it to 10, 100 to 90, because we're doing negative, we're setting the volume to 10% only. Now look, so say, so basically if we do say hello, the sprite will say hello, and then for 2 seconds it says hello for 2 seconds, and I can change that to whatever. E, when you can't spell. Yeah, you can change that. And then think, basically I think bubble. So they're thinking that. That's really simple. Then switch costume. So if we're here's the costumes. Yeah. So we have 2 costumes. And if we change to the other one, look, we have 2 costumes which are different. Well, let's say if we do forever next costume 1, now it's forever gonna be costume to this one instead of this one. Look, I switched it to this, then it changed. Now if I do this, boom, it changes. Now next costume, so it's gonna switch between really fast. So it's just switching. If it's costume 1, it will next costume to costume 2, and then there's no other costume to go, so it goes back to costume 1. And I switch backdrop. So backdrop is basically the background, like I told you before. So if we change color to black, or let's do red. Actually, now is next backdrop or switch backdrop. It will do like costume, same as costume. It will just switch it to one of these backdrops here, or backgrounds. So if we'll do next backdrop. Whoa. Okay. Epilepsy warning. Really, I'm really sorry. Epilepsy warning. Now if we do change size, so basically here's the size. If we do 200, the size will be 200%, or basically double. If we do 10, it'll be smaller. Wait, that wasn't 10. Wait, why can't I? Wait, here's 900, really big. Now, here's size. If I do -10, I can't change it below 100. Wait, let me do this. I think the sprite was too small to change it. Like, depending on the size. So if the sprite is like this big, now if we change it, we can change it to really small, size 1. Yeah. And then really big, cause the sprite is big. Like if it was this, like if we do -10, wait, it must be 100. Like it wouldn't change because the sprite is too small. Now set size. So basically, like the same as sound, so set volume and set pitch. So instead of changing it, like if I do change size and click it multiple times, we'll change it, like add 10 to the size. Now set size, if we click it multiple times, instead of adding 100, it will just set it to 100. Color. Now, change color. Now, because mine, I have to do this, yeah. Changes the color effect. Now, I don't really know this too much, so but this basically changes the color. Epilepsy warning, I'm gonna say. If I do this, that's actually, but I shall change the color. Now we have fisheye. Now I do not know what it does. If I do -10. Okay, so I do not know what it does. I've never used it. Swirl. I can do it here. Wait, maybe fisheye will work here. No, but swirl. Oh wait, maybe if I do. But why doesn't it work? Oh wait, maybe. Oh wait, you can see the swirl effect is working. No, fisheye. See. Oh, it just expands. Oh, okay. I don't use the pixelate. It just makes everything more pixely until it's like 1 pixel. Now and then mosaic. I have no mosaic. I don't use this. Oh, so basically, well, that's interesting. Okay, brightness. It will change the brightness. Now we'll have ghost. So basically it will disappear the more. So if there's 100 ghost effect, it will just disappear because it will be a ghost, you know. kind of. Now set is like I told you many times before, instead of changing the value of size or color, or it's just setting the value to it. Through graphics effect, so basically see there, boom, clearing the all of these options. Then background number, this shows you the name or number. Now we're motion. So motion here, move 10 steps. So here we have direction. So look up, then moves 10 steps, will move upward. So moves to the left. Wait, if our line is looking towards the left and we move it, it will go to the left. Now down, if it's looking down, we move down, and then if it's looking right again, we'll move right. You know, then turn. So basically, we'll just do this and turn, like we will turn 15 degrees if we have 180. It will do it will turn 180 degrees. Have a look. Wait, they're not moving. Wait, they're not moving because I'm like moving them and then counteracting with it. Yeah, if I do 50 degrees instead. Okay, I should move and then turn. No, I should probably not do that at the same time. Yeah, but then this turns counterclockwise. So this one turns clockwise and this one turns counterclockwise. So I do this, it will start turning to the left. If I do this, it will start turning to the right. Well, until we'll always turn to the right until I pass 90 degrees. Now it's turning to the left, but that's when I'm past 90 degrees, yeah. So now we have go to random position, and you might know what it is already. We'll go to random position on the screen, not on the screen but on the game. Good project. Look, it's going to random positions, and then I also can go to my mouse pointer. So if I do forever go to mouse pointer, it's gonna follow my mouse. So let's put this thing in the middle. So now it's dead on in the middle. And I stop it, and then we can go to x blank y blank. So basically x and y. To the more left, x it's gonna be a negative number. Yeah, and then to the right, x is gonna be a positive number. So x is left and right, and the y is up and down. So up is a positive number, down is a negative number. So if I do negative 80, so then it's gonna be like right over here, I would say. Yeah, right over here. And then if I do positive, you see it's gonna go up here instead, because it's positive numbers to the because it's to the right, which is positive x, like the x number will be positive, and up will be the y number will be positive. If I have 0, both of them, it will be in the middle, because it's left it's x. Left and right is x, up and down is y. If I have them 0, that means it's dead on the middle. Now we have glide. So basically, like I said, glide like 1 second to random position on the screen. Also the mouse pointer. If we do 0.05, it looks it's actually go to random position, but it's about laggy, you know. Now we have glide 1 second or blank. How many seconds you want to X and Y. So it's same with the go to. It's just instead of gliding, no, instead of go or just teleporting, it will glide. See, it will glide. Do -80 and then -80 again. It will glide to it, and then if we have -80 here, oops, 80, and then -80 here. Click it, boom, teleports to position immediately. Now we have a pointing direction. So you know our turn is 15 degrees. Now instead of doing the turn, we can just do point -90. Now it's looking to the left. Now it's looking to the right. So basically the direction, but you can do it in code. So I want to look up, looking down, looking to the left, looking to the right. Now we have point towards mouse pointer. Also, we can, if we have another sprite, yeah, we can change it to point towards sprite 2. Sprite 2 is right over. Wait, I will mark it with a little cube. If I move it here, look, you will look towards it. Now the mouse pointer will look towards my mouse pointer. So if we had change X, so that's basically move, but it will not move to your direction. It will just move in the X. So it change X by 10. Wait, let me take away the forever, so it won't repeat it. So look, it moves X by 10. So because I have a positive number here, it will go right. Now if I do -10, it will go to the left because it's a negative number on the X. Now we can also do set X2. We can do 100, set X to 100, boom. Instead of changing the value, we'll just go set it. Same with Y. If I do 10, it will go up because it's up is positive, and then -10 is it will go down because it's negative number on X, Y, not X. Then if we have here, we do a little game here. See? Oh wait, it's turning way too much. Look, it's just hitting the edge and not doing anything. We have if on edge bounce. Look, it's gonna bounce on it. So now like if it's gonna hit this edge right here and then bounce, boom. So basically bouncing, it's gonna hit this edge and then bounce off it, and then it's gonna like turn this way, bounce off it here, then turn this way and then bounce off it, you know. So that's if on its bounce. And it's set rotation style. So left right. Look, if I turn, look, either way, like nothing's happening. Wait, I should be more clear. So this is the left side. Actually, a circle is supposed to be on the left side. Wait. No, I messed it up. Look. Now the circle is on the left side. Now it's on the right side. And it won't look up. Don't rotate. It won't rotate doesn't matter which direction it's looking at. But all around, it will look towards the direction. Now show left and right. Only looks left and right. Don't rotate. Or it won't rotate, and it doesn't matter on what direction. And then all around, it will always look towards the direction you have right now. On X and Y, direction. So that basically shows you the X and Y position, and then we're looking at. Yeah. So if we go down with sensing, we have, let's do forever if. So we have sensing touching mouse pointer. So if it's touching edge or my cursor or the sprite, let's say it should go to a random position. Touching mouse pointing, going to a random position. And then I'm using if. So if touching mouse pointer, then go to random position. So pretty easy. If touching color red, let's say red, and I think here, shit, wait, let's put this color to red. Oh, if here, wait, I need to start it first. Yeah, look, it's touching the color red. Here, boom, teleports away. Boom, teleports away. Now, I'm gonna have if color boom is touching boom. So, if any color on this sprite, so we have black and purple. If any of those two colors, I put if any color here. Wait, I think it's if any color on the map touches, if this specific color touches this specific, dude, when you can talk, specific color, yeah. He will go to random position, yeah, and then distance to mouse pointer. So let's do operators. If distance to mouse pointer equals 50, then teleport to random position. As I think this should work. Dude, I never used this, so I don't know. What? Okay, I do not understand this because it's not working. Yeah, but like distance to mouse pointer, so basically it shows you the distance onto it. No, ask. So basically what this does is, boom, it's gonna ask me, and then I can type here. Yeah. So it's if I click here, ask, it asks me what's your name, and then I can type my name here. So I'll just do something random, like Jack. Boom. And now then we also here, look, the answer Jack. Also, don't forget these, you can drag these and use them. So basically, if, let's do if, if answer equals to Jack, then go to random. Look, because the answer is Jack right now, it will there. But if I do the answer is blah blah blah, yeah, it will stop. Ask what's your name, Jack. Boom. Now, if we do, if key space pressed, so if the key on my keyboard, space, is pressed, or hold down, they will go to random position on the game, in the game. So you can go between negative 240x to positive 240x, between also negative 180y to positive 180y. Now, mouse down. We've already gone over this. So if it's touching my mouse, wait. Oh wait, no wait, I did it wrong. If he's touching, mouse down is basically when you hold down your mouse or click it. So I confused them up. I don't know why. So, but don't get them confused. Because touching is well, when it's touching, you know, and then mouse down is when you're holding the right click or left click or clicking, you know. So mouse X, mouse Y. So that's gonna just show you mouse X and Y, and that's useful because you can use it in code. So if mouse X equals 50, then go to random. So if I do mouse X equals boom 50, so my mouse X is 50 right now. If you look up right over here, you can see my X and Y. Yeah, but so if I put this to 50, it will start going around. So don't forget, you can use these in your code. Okay, now we have set drag mode to draggable. So draggable is basically, now I can drag it without like I can drag it in game. Look, not draggable. Going in the game. Wait, to set it first. Boom. I can't drag it anymore. I'm holding down. Can't drag it. Draggable. Click here. Now I can drag it. Now, so we have loudness. Okay, so it's recording my microphone. You see? Oh yeah. I think I should do a thing in sound. Yeah, okay, I don't know, but loudness, it's recording my mic, so if loudness equals 50, if loudness equals 50, then, okay, so, wait, I have to be, okay, so loudness won't be, wait, if I have to do, if loudness, is above 50, so if I go, wait, I have to start it first, wait, yeah, if my loudness from my microphone goes above 50, that means it will go around. So that what loudness does. I didn't know, to be honest. Now timer. The timer will start even each time you press the one flag clicked. Then you have this block you can click and then resets the timer. So backstop of stage. And this stage, or can do stage or sprite 2. So stage, basically the backdrop. Yeah, here's the stage, and then the backdrop. Basically background. Yeah, backdrop number, backdrop name, volume, and then my variable. And then we have sprite 2. So of this sprite, this cube I have right here. Yeah, if I do a direction, so this is pointing in the direction 90. So if I do point in direction, the direction of sprite 2, if I change the direction here, it will also change there. If I do X position, oh wait, not point in direction, go to position, and then let's do Y position. So now we'll go to it. See? I'll move this away. Boom, goes to it. Because it's in the forever lock. Now, we also have costume number. So how many costumes he has? It has only one costume name. So my costume name is right now costume 1. Yeah, and then size. So it's size and volume. Now, if we go to current year, now it's gonna display your current year, month, current month, date, day of week, hour. So yeah, let's say a day since 2000. I don't know why we have this. Can we change this? Yeah, I don't know. We did username. Oh, you see my username? Let's do if username. Wait, let me stop it. If username equals Fantasizer. I know I haven't put in here. If username equals Fantasizer, then forever turn 15 degrees. So because my username is Fantasizer, I have switched accounts. Yeah. So my name is Fantasizer. It's gonna spin around. Go to my account if you want to see any of my projects. I switched from my account Milkman Carl Onsen. I put both accounts in the description. And then meanwhile you're going down there, you can quite possibly just subscribe or hit the like button. So now we go to operators. We have plus, minus, minus, and then divided by, or division. Yeah. So basically, we have if say something really simple. Wait, if 1 plus 1 equals 2, then spin. Because 1 plus 1 does equals 2, it will spin. Now if 1 plus 2, so it's equal 3 equals 2. Now this is false. Now if I do 1, this is true. Okay, so now we have pick random. I think you know where this is. If pick random 1 to 10 equals 2, so basically it's gonna pick random from 1 to 10. So it's gonna do randomizer, and if it lands on 2, my character will spin. And see, it spins quite frequently. But if we have a wait here, so I'm gonna need to wait a bit. Now, look, it's doing really slowly, cause it's random. Now, if we do, now we have less, or more than, less than, and then equal to. I've used this both quite a lot, or all of them quite a lot. So more than, that's basically if 1 plus 2 is more than 1, then so if the blank value, if the value here is more than the value here, then it's true. Right now it's false because the value here is 0 right now. Now this value is true right now because the value here is 0, yeah, and that's less than value 50, and that's what this is, less than. Now equal to is false because the value here doesn't match up with the value on the right side. So this the value on the left side here has to be a value more than the right side, so 1. So the blank side so it's blank right here. That means it's 0. So it's gonna be false. Here, if the blank, so 0 is less than 50, which is true. And then here, if blank, so 0 is equal to 50, and that's false because 0 isn't equal to 50. Now we have and, or, and not. So and is if let's do if 2 is more than 1 and 2 is more than 50, then it can win. But if 1 is more than 1 and look, you see this statement is true, yeah. It's just it's not running because this statement is false. Oops. So and then if we have or, that means either one of these statements could be true and it will run. So if I do 60 here, none of this is false, and this statement is also false. That means not this won't run. But if I do 12 here, just because this statement is true, it will run. So that's or, and then not. And then if we do if, so let's do another example. If mouse down, turn 15 degrees, and then we see this wait until. Let's wait until not mouse down. So just right click this, duplicate, and that means so basically that means, let me zoom in, that after we click, it will turn 15 degrees, and then wait until we're not holding the mouse. So we have to, look, I'm gonna hold my mouse, turns only one time, let go, and then hold again, it turns. So I have to spam click it to make it work. And so then we have join. So this is gonna be more complicated. So we have join apple banana. That's gonna join it to be apple banana. You know our variable. Let's go here. Its value is 0 right now. If we do boom, the value is gonna be apple banana because we're joining them together. And that means we can do pick random, boom, boom. That means it's gonna be, look, 46. That's because join. If we join, so it went pick random 1 to 10 and picked 4, and then the other one went pick random 1 to 10 and went became 6. So we have two different values, 4, 6, and the join basically join them together. Yeah, and then we're setting this variable value to it. Now we have letter 1 of apple. So we have this. Now it's gonna say the first letter. We have 2. It's gonna wait. It shall say the first letter of this. So 32. Wait, I think it's doing random. Look, apple, banana. We have 4 letters. And the 4th letter is L. Letter 4 of apple, banana is L. Letter 8 of apple, banana is A. So, I think we could do letter my variable. So my variable is 1 right now of apple, banana is A. Change this number to 34 and it comes up with blank. Do 5. Wait, we have to set it first. And E, so apple, so it's on this E. So that's a letter of length of apple. So apple is 5. If I do my variable to this large number, wait, oops, I have to drag this round thing up. It's 7, so it's 7. It's 1 and then 6 zeros behind it. You know, here we have apple, banana. It's 12 because apple, banana combined is 12 letters. Now apple contains A, and that's 2. So if my variable contains 3, that's 2 because my variable has the number 3 in it. So that's if well, this is more complicated, but if apple contains 3, it doesn't. The word apple doesn't contain the number 3. That comes out with false. Yeah. Then we have mod, which I do not use as much. So let's see what it does. 0. Mod. I'm gonna come back to this later. Wait. I do not use this. This is just a brief over all the code. Yeah, I do not use this like at all. So I don't think you will be using this in your game if you're a beginner. So these are more complicated, as you won't be using this in normal game, you know, or apps. Yeah. So okay, so this is math. Yeah, I won't be covering that. Maybe I'll make a advanced series. Maybe. Now, variables. So variables are like unique. So creating variable name and text. So for all sprites or for this sprite only. So if for all sprites, the value of text is gonna be a 1 for everyone. Yeah. For this sprite only, you can only use the variable in between the like this sprite. So I can't use. So if I do test for this sprite only, look, I have test here. Can like set test to 1. Now go on this. Look, I try to set text to 1. Do not type test. This is to this sprite only. Now cloud variable. I'll be going over that in the advanced series if you want to have that, so you know. So these variables are just to hold a value, you know. So set variable my variable to this number. So now it's gonna store that value. And I can like check, wait, if forever, if let's do equals, so if my variable, so the value of my variable, so it's right now 51,000, so if it's equal to 50, so let's turn around. So let's turn this on. Let's do 50. So right now it won't turn. Boom. Now because this value is 50, it's turning right here. So now list. I think I'll be covering list and block, or yeah, I think I'll be covering that in the advanced tutorial. So this is for if you're a beginner and don't know how to do anything. So with the knowledge, you can think oh, when flag clicked forever, okay, and then turn that turn 2 degrees, move 10 steps if on edge bounce. Now you can create your bouncing game, I guess. Yeah, also I forgot to mention the show. So set change. I'll cover this so many times. You're setting the value to. If the value is 50 right now, I set it to 5. Look, it becomes 6 because I have change instead of set after it. Then I show and hide. You see over here, you can see the variable. I can hide it. Now you don't see it. Now you see the value of the variable. Hide, show, hide, show. So that's it. So that's just to explain what everything does, and let's make a simple thing. So we have this ball. So when flag clicked. Okay, I forgot. This will be annoying too. Wait, so date, the week, hide that, hour, hide that, minute, hide that also. So hide all of these. Now we do let's do forever. If let's put it in the middle. We already have a tutorial. I already made a tutorial on this. Also keep in mind when you're dragging when you're making squares like in circles. Look, like it. You have to hold shift for them to be perfect. So not holding shift, like I'm dragging it up, boom, imperfect. Holding shift, boom, perfect. Perfect circle. So let's do go to 0, 0, because we learned that that's in the middle screen forever. So we have this text variable. Let's do my variable. Actually, we can just make a new variable. Clicks. So we can also right click the clicks and then the large reader. So we only see the value. The slider, we can slide like around 97 clicks. But I'm gonna do large. Put it over here. So set it to 0. When the flag clicks, set it to 0. Yeah, and then when mouse away, and then also do and when mouse down and touching. So basically it's the same as events, yeah, and then when this part clicked. So this is the same function. This is the same function as when this part clicked, because this is detecting if you click this part, or if you click and touching this part. So it's basically the same as when part clicked. If I have that, then change clicks by 1. Now, oh whoops, they changed that also. Boom. Okay, you can see that it's going a bit crazy. That's because I forgot to add wait until not. So we learned that wait until not the mouse down. So it's basically waiting until we're not clicking. Okay, we click the flag, it's turned to 0. Now we have a clicker game. Cool, right? So I won't leave this project down below because I already have made a tutorial about clicker game. So if you're enjoying this video, please consider going down, subscribing, and liking. If you want more tutorials, comment down below if you to specify a tutorial. Also, if you think I did anything wrong with this, please comment down, because I want feedback on how I'm doing and how my tutorials are. So comment down below how I was doing, if my tutorial was good. Like, subscribe, check the description for my accounts. My friend's account, they also run this channel, and the clicker game tutorial. Okay, so bye.